Hello friends, today we will see how to write a part program for a slot milling. So this is the component. So you have to make this slot inside the metal piece, and for that you have to use the end mill cutter. So we'll I will read the statement given here. Write a part program to machine the 5 mm slot inside the workpiece as shown in the figure. So it means that the 5 mm, this is a 5 mm slot. Okay, even you can see in this 3D picture, this is a 5 mm slot you have to make. So inside this workpiece. Then the use a 5 mm diameter end mill. It means that if you want to make this slot, okay, so for that you have to use the end mill cutter. Then the part depth is 8 mm and the slot depth is 2 mm. It means that this thickness of the plate, okay, is 8 mm, but you have to make the slot only of 2 mm deep. Okay, so that is the slot depth is 2 mm. Next important thing is that the reference is 7 mm above the workpiece surface. What it means there? So here, this is we are considering this as a reference line, not at the top surface of the component. So say thoda upar. So how much distance? 7 mm means every dimensions you have to consider with respect to this reference line when you are going for the Z direction. Okay, so हमारे पास reference is 7 mm above the workpiece. So this is the 7 distance. Okay. Now, before writing the programs, you should first find the coordinates of all these points. You can see here, there will be, I'll go one by one. First coordinates. Now, when we are finding the coordinate in these end mill cutters or in the making a slot, the important thing is that to find the coordinates. Always the students are making the mistakes. Now, see here. First, the complete length of this part is 90 mm. Okay, and the centers, you can see the centers are given here. Okay, that center is at a distance of 60 mm, which is given to you. Now 90 minus 60 will be a 30. So what we have done, from this position 15 we have taken towards the left side and 15 we have taken towards your right side. Okay, that is the first. Then second important thing is that you know that this distance you have to find out. बिकॉज हमेशा हम कोऑर्डिनेट जब फाइंड आउट करते हैं तो सेंटर जो हमारे एंड मिल कटर का सेंटर होता है वहां से हमको कोऑर्डिनेट्स चाहिए. नाउ फॉर दैट 15 आई डिवाइडेड इनटू 2, दैट इज अ 7.5 7.5. तो इसका सेंटर जो है यहाँ से आप देख रहे होंगे. सो फ्रॉम दिस टू द लेफ्ट साइड of the edge of that component is 7.5. Okay, so like that here also we have find the 7. अभी ये जो 7.5 7.5 दिया है, it is not given, so I have calculated, I have find out that. Okay, only thing is that what dimensions they are given in the exam. Complete length, that is a 90, this distance 60, then the radius it is given, this outer radius is 10 and inner radius is 5. You can see this is the inner radius is 5. Okay, then the width of this component is 50. This is given to you, and remaining all the these distances which I find out, I have calculated. Now this lot, you can see the center here. So total width is 50, means center will be at a 25 mm. Okay, now one more thing what we have find out is this distance 7.5 7.5. So students, how we are getting it? It is very clear that from this position, okay, these positions to the upper part, means I will tell you, यहाँ से लेके तो ये distance, okay, it is 10. Okay, but I don't want these dimensions. I want a center of this. Okay, so for the center of this, the 2.5 I will subtract it because radius of the cutter is 2.5. So that is I'm getting the 7.5 and the 7.5. So these dimensions are very important. Otherwise, it is very difficult to find the coordinates. Now see here. First one, I want to find the coordinates this point number 1. So I'm getting the 15x coordinates. You can see from this position to here along the x-axis it is 15. along the y, अभी यहाँ से मुझे distance चाहिए because we are using the obsolete system. So naturally, with reference to the endpoint, we are considering. From this position, how I'm getting the 32? You can see here. अब यहाँ से लेके, you know that यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक distance is 25. So that I get 25. 25 plus 7.5. So I will get a 32.5 along the y-axis. That is the first thing. Second coordinates. How I'm getting the x 75. So 60 plus 15 will be I'm getting a 75. Then 32.5, it means that along the y-axis, same distance, जिसका 1 का point का जो distance है, same distance 2 का भी है. So that's why my distance is 32.5. Then I will go for the third coordinates. I'm getting the along the x 82.5. You can see 15 plus 60 plus 7.5. That will give you a 82.5. Okay. Then along the y distance, this distance will be 25. Okay. So I have written the 25. Then the next coordinate is 4, this one. How much is the along the x? 60 plus 15 will be 75. So I put the x distance as a 75. Okay. And about the y coordinate, we can see the y here. अब यहाँ से लेके y कितना है हमारा? I want this distance. Okay. It is very easy. See, always consider ये 25 consider कर दो यहाँ से. So 25 minus 75 if you take, you will get a 17.5. That is the most easy way to find out. Then the fifth point, these coordinates I have to find out. So this is x will be 15 and y. Now y again. So again 25, यहाँ से यहाँ तक 25 है. So 25 minus 7.5 will get again a 17.5. Then the sixth here, these coordinates I have to find. Now this will be my 7.5. Is it clear? So ये distance मुझे 7.5 मिल गया. Now I required a y distance. Y will be at a 25. So I written the 25 here. Then again the tool will move from this position to again to the 1. So be careful that's why I written 1, 1 here. But the coordinates remain the same. Now how to write the programs here? First, you know that you have to just give the program number. Now initially, this is called as a startup of the program. We are giving the inputs to the machine. N10, G40, G80, you know very well now. The G40 is the cutter compensation cancel and G80 is a can cycle cancel. G90, we are considering the obsolete positioning system. Okay, means आपने यहाँ से सभी coordinates find out करने की कोशिश किया. That is a G90. That is a obsolete positioning system. G94, that is a feed rate which is given in mm per minute. And G21, it means that we are writing the program in metric system, means in mm. Okay. Then M06, that is a tool change. So I've taken the tool number 1. Okay, 01 is the tool number. And again, this 01 is nothing but the tool offset value for the tool number 1. Then the next block is M03, means we are just started a spindle in the clockwise direction at a speed of 1200. You can see S stands for speed at a speed of 1200. Feed rate I have given the 50. As you know that G94, it is a mm per minute. It means that 50 mm per minute. That is the meaning of that. Then next is M08. It's coolant on. Student, one more thing. Don't forget to write the end of block. So, or you can put the semicolon, which indicates the end of block. Okay, this first part get over. Second part, we have to generate the profile. Profile generate करना means I want here as a slot. तो मेरा next important part चालू हो रहा है अभी. Now G70, G00, Z0. It means that tool is rapidly moved. Okay. At the Z0, ये हमारा Z0 ये position. Okay, we are considering this as a reference. Component को हम reference position consider नहीं किया है, but it is because it is given the reference is 7 mm above the workpiece. Okay, but it has to be more rapidly because there is no cutting action between the tool and the workpiece. Second thing is again N80 block G00. x15 y32.5 means I have to bring this cutter, okay, end mill cutter at position 1. You can see here I will bring that cutter and G01. Now linearly I will move it at a distance of z minus 9. How it is now? You can see again I'll go a little bit back and again I'll bring it to. Student, from this position, यहाँ से हमारे पास 7 distance है. Okay, यहाँ से लेके तो surface तक 7. So below reference line, it start with a minus. Okay, so that will be my minus 7. और हमको depth कितना चाहिए? 2, only 2 mm depth. So 7 plus 2 will be a 9. So that's why I'm getting Z as a minus 9. So that is a very, very and very important parameter here. Okay. So now this is how the tool is moving. Again, you can see in the diagram. I'll just move that. You can see here. Means the cutter is moving from 1 to 2. So what is my second coordinates for the x75? Okay, and I have not written the y coordinate 32.5 because it is the same coordinates. Even if you write it, it's no issue. Then second, अब यहाँ से cutter हमारा 2 से लेके 3 तक जाना चाहिए. So student, it's very important. It is a G02 chord. Okay, so if you forget, if you make any mistake there, okay, in that case G02 when we are indicating, it is a circular interpolation clockwise. क्योंकि यहाँ से घड़ी जैसा clockwise मूव होती है वैसे हमारा कटर clockwise मूव होगा. That's why I have to take the G02. और वहां हमारे पास अब मुझे कोऑर्डिनेट्स 3 के कोऑर्डिनेट्स लिखने हैं. मेरे 3 के कोऑर्डिनेट्स कितने हैं? 3 x 82.5 and y 25 with a radius. How much radius is given here? Radius is given 5. So I have to written R5. Okay. So wherever there is a curvilinear motion, right, or curved path, at that time you have to keep in mind, you have to write the G02 or a G03 according to the clockwise and anti-clockwise direction. Okay. So here G02 is the clockwise direction. अभी यहाँ से 2 to 3 it will move. Okay. Now it will move from 3 to 4. अब यहाँ से 3 से मूव के 4 पे जाएगा. So I want coordinate of 4. तो हमारे पास 4 के coordinates already were written. So G02. See why G02? G02 again it is a clockwise direction. Curvilinear path is there. So I will write the G02. Okay, and I written the coordinates. See here in the diagram it moves. So 3 से लेके अभी 4 तक हम मूव हो गए. So यहाँ तक हमारा कटिंग हो गया. Now from 4 to 5. So 4 to 5 means 5 coordinates. Now I written the G01 because it is a linear one. Okay, straight path है. So G01. So in that case x, अगर मेरे 5th के coordinates क्या है? x15 y17.5. Even you can write the 17.5 here. Still there is no issue. Okay, so that is the coordinates of this 0.5. Okay, so I read. After that means this you can see 4 to 5 यहाँ तक हमारा operation हो चुका है. Then it moves from 5 to 6. Okay, 5 to 6 is like this. So I have written the coordinates of 6. Now here G02 again it is a clockwise direction. Okay, so my coordinates of the 6 you can see 7.5 and 25. And how much is the radius? The radius is 5 because you can see all the radius is given 5. Inner radius is 5. Take care of that. So that is the radius I have written. Means up to this you are written. Now from this I have to move to the 1 position. 6 to 1. अब यहाँ से मुझे cutter 1 पे लेके जाना है. And that's why again I have written the same coordinate. Okay, same is 15 and 32.5. तो हमारा cutter G02 clockwise direction move होगा from 6 to 1. In this way, we can complete this slot. Okay, and after that, G00Z0. It means that I will move the cutter up. After doing all these operations, slot operations, I will move the cutter up. And the last parameter. अब यहाँ हमारा yellow color जो दिख रहा है, it will indicate is the profile generation. अब this last box. Okay, this last box is called as the end of programs. So हमारे पास it's very simple, it's common. You can see that this first N10 to N60 And here this last block, almost in all the programs, I'm maintaining the same way. Okay, so there will be no confusion in for the students. Then G28 U0 V0 W0. It means that the tool will move to its reference positions. Okay. Now M05, you know that you have to stop the spindle. M09, coolant off. Right? And the last one will be the M30. You know that when you're talking about the M30, it means that program end and tape rewind. इसका मतलब क्या होता है? Again the cursor will move to the first block. Means your machine is ready for the next job without wasting a time. So thank you friends.